All right, guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Hey, man, I got something special for you today. We are cooking a big old pot roast, and we're going to do it out on the grill. It's going to be amazing. Who's got time for a crock pot? We're not doing no crock pot around here. This is going to be a chuck roast on the grill. Get ready. All right, get started. We got a 2.5 pound chuck roast here. And for seasoning, all we're going to do is put salt, pepper, garlic on it, okay? Just regular old salt, pepper, and garlic. And we're going to coat it really heavy. We coat everything heavy around here. Just like that. And that is all we're going to do to this thing. Don't get no easier than that, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to put it on the grill, and we're going to sear it on both sides for about 10, 12 minutes per side until we get a nice crust on it. And then we're going to put it in a pan with all these vegetables. We got 1 whole chopped onion. We got about 1.5 cups, 2 cups of carrots, little baby carrots. And we got 4 stalks of celery, diced. 4 baked potatoes. That's coming last. That's not going to be in there. Watch that. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing ready to go out on the grill. It's going to be good. All right, let's go. Okay, so for the potatoes, we're not going to cook them in the pot roast. We're going to just wrap them up in aluminum foil and let them cook while we're cooking the pot roast. All we're going to do is take our potatoes, put a little bit of that salt, pepper, garlic on there as well, and roll them up. All right, just like that. Once we roast these potatoes in the foil, we're going to take them out and we're going to make a mashed potato out of that. So we're going to serve our pot roast over the mashed potatoes. It's going to be so good, man. Let's go. We're going to pour it on the back side right here, just like that. So once it's burnt off, we're going to go ahead and put our chuck roast on. We have been letting this set for about 30 minutes at room temperature with that salt, pepper, garlic on there. Now we're going to sear it. We'll go ahead and stick our taters on. All right, we're going to let that sear for about 12 minutes. Get a nice crust on it. All right, let's take a look at this. We have been going for about 12 minutes. And we got a good sear going. Gonna go ahead and flip it over. See what that looks like. Got a good char on it. We're gonna put it on this side for 12 minutes. I forgot to mention a while ago, but I am using just a little handful of hickory chips, just like that. And sprinkle them on the back side right here. That get just a little bit of that hickory smoke into that. That's what makes it unique. That's why you can't do this in a crock pot. All right, 12 more minutes. All right, we have been another 12 minutes. Let's get ready to put this thing together. Man, I wish you could smell that. The garlic, salt, pepper, and the hickory. Smells like an amazing steakhouse. All right, so let's go ahead and check it out. So we have got it good and seared on both sides, just like that. So we're going to take our pan. Just going to lay it in the bottom of the pan. And then we're going to take our celery in there, 2 bay leaves in there, baby carrots, our onion, just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and cover it with enough water just to get it right over the top of it. Just like that. We're going to add 1 pack of French onion au jus. Give that a good stir up. And just enough of our salt, pepper, garlic just to taste. Right. And that is it. I'm going to cover it up in foil. And that is it. We're going to set our timer for an hour and a half, and we'll come back and check on it in an hour and a half. Don't get no easier than that. Man, and that smell. All right, we have been an hour and a half. Let's check it out. Let's take a look. She's bubbling. Do not ever take foil off a bubbling pan with your hands. It will burn you, I promise. Use your tongs. Oh yeah, we're getting really tender now. Look at that. All right, so let's go ahead. We're going to add, for the last 30 minutes of this cook, we're going to put in just a pack of brown gravy mix. Get that all good and stirred in there. Mix it up really good. Man, I wish you could smell this right now. We're going to cover that up, like I said, and let it go for another 30 minutes. And just be careful with this foil. It is hot. It's hot. I'm going to go ahead and pick up the taters because I know they're done. You can always tell when the potato's done. If you squeeze it, it's really tender, it's done. I'm going to cover it up and let it go for another 30 minutes. All right, we are done. Let's take a look at it. It is still bubbling. Remember, tongs when you're taking the foil off. Oh yeah. Just falling apart. Look at that. All right, let's get this thing in the house. Let's get it busted up and shredded. And we're going to put it on them taters we cooked earlier. Don't burn me. Don't burn me. Don't burn me, Jeff. All right, let's get in the house and get this thing ready to eat. I am starving to death right now. Been smelling this thing for the last 3 hours. And it's time to eat. Let's go. All right, take a look at it here, guys. I got it shredded up. Come in here and take a close look at that. You see that? I mean, you can't get no more tender than that. All right, so let's plate it up. We got our potatoes that we cooked earlier. I was going to take these and cut them up. Open them up just like that. Get a big old scoop of our pot roast here. Just like that. And get some of these carrots. And I have made a mess. Take a look at that. It ain't about how good it looks, how good it tastes. And this right here. Man, I wish you could smell that. Let's get a bite right quick. Oh man, you won't get that out of a crock pot, I guarantee you. A little bit of hickory wood searing that steak like we did to start with. There you go. That's Jeff's Sunday pot roast. You got to try this. Hey, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe. Guess what? We got a smoked pizza cobbler coming up next. You ain't going to want to miss that. So be sure to click that notification bell so you won't miss it. Thank y'all.